Frankie MacDonald, my own TV station live from the Neville Park. Attention, citizens of California. Attention, citizens of Oregon. Attention, citizens of Washington. Attention, citizens of Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Earthquake warning has been issued for California. It's going to be a 9.0 greater magnitude. People in California, you have to be prepared for earthquake. It's going to occur in September 2010. The earthquake will be so powerful in California, it may destroy lots of houses. It may destroy all kinds of telephone poles. It may destroy all kinds of transformers. It may knock all kinds of telephone poles over in California. People in California, be prepared. Have your medical kits ready. Have your everything ready. Your flashlights, candles, and everything ready. The earthquake will be so powerful in California, it may destroy everything. It's going to be 9.0 greater magnitude. Golden Gate Bridge may collapse. It may affect Arizona, Nevada, Utah, Colorado. It may affect Montana, Idaho, and everything. The earthquake will be so powerful in California, it may destroy everything. Have a nice day. People in California, be prepared for a major earthquake. Good luck.